Hey everyone, Tanner here with Phone Skope. Today we're checking out our new Bino harness from Alaskan Guide Creations. First off, this Bino harness has some great improvements from our older Bino harness. They've updated the locking mechanisms on the clips and straps. They seem to be super robust, really heavy duty. I really like that feature. Nothing I hate more than hiking around and my Bino harness becoming loose. I didn't really get that issue with the other model, but this one really ensures that that's going to be nice and secure. With this model, we did get rid of that front harness. We wanted to go with just a slimmer profile. So a little bit smaller on the chest. It's got the nice two side pockets here, so you can keep your wind check or any other small accessory like a flashlight or a lighter. On top of the Bino harness, again, we have two pouches to store items. I really like keeping my Phone Skope binocular adapter in the top, and my Phone Skope case here in that bottom larger slide pouch. So it's quick and accessible. If I jump something up, I can hurry and pull out my binoculars and get some pictures while it's on the move. So it's got a nice quiet tab here. You just pull that up, releases the top hatch, and just pull that back and your binoculars come right out. What I really like is this system is built into the harness itself, so it really supports the binoculars. What's really cool is the quick detach. Just uses these clips here, so if you want to detach the binoculars to let someone else use them or get them mounted on your tripod, you're going to be able to do that quickly and easily. So just clips like that, you just run it through your binocular on the side and you're ready to go. So bring that up and you can glass right back in. Nice, quiet, and fast operation. For binocular size, these are going to fit up to a 10 by 42 and some 10 by 50s. What's really nice is this piece here is adjustable. This small piece down here at the bottom adjusts that. So if you want to tighten that up or loosen it, press the clip and then just pull that through. So it's nice and secure on your binoculars. Again, just pull that up, you're ready to go. The inside is it's a nice soft black fabric. It's not going to scratch the optics, really going to take care of them. And then it seals down. And on the side you can see that it is closing up that side, so you're not going to have debris getting in, which is a really nice feature. In the back of the harness is a zippered pouch. Pretty good size, so you can keep your tags or calls in there. That's it for the Bino harness, guys. Thanks for watching. I want to give one of these away to our YouTube subscribers, so please make sure that you click the bell so you get notifications when new videos are posted to our channel. And in the comment section below, post a comment there what you like about the Bino harness or what's your favorite thing about Phone Skope. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-790-4480, or shoot us an email, support@phoneskope.com. If you haven't yet, sign up for our newsletter. We've got awesome weekly deals that we send to you guys first, so check that out, and thanks for watching.